The Unified Service Desk is an agent desktop provided with our Spring 2014 release for our online customers or our Service Pack 1 release for our on-premise customers. This release provides an enhancement to the service module for Dynamics CRM that provides multi-channel and multi-workload capabilities for our customers. Integration means to Microsoft and to Dynamics CRM the ability to bring multiple apps together inside the Unified Agent Desktop, applying a workflow over top of that environment, as well as serving the customer and the agent with the information they need when they need it. Now, why is that so different? Why is that interesting? Most call centers today can't achieve that or have challenges achieving that because you have different departments with different components, different applications, different experience levels, all of which are working on different systems. So when you call into a call center, you end up finding yourself being bounced from one agent to another agent and so on and so forth. We struggle with that even here at Microsoft with some of our solutions and some of our services. So the agent desktop that we built and we're providing now is something that we internally developed over a number of years to combat that particular problem, so that when you call in, we can serve you, the customer, with what we need or what you need, when you need it, how you need it, and in a timely fashion. If I were to pick the key features from it, the things that really matter, it's the ability to integrate multiple applications, not just CRM, but also integrate your legacy applications, your Java apps, your HTML applications, your older mainframe-centric applications into a consolidated experience for your agent without them having to do a bunch of application switching. Probably the second biggest feature or capability that I personally think is the configurability of the agent desktop. The ability for you to go in and actually configure what your user experience is without going through the work of having to write a bunch of code or to hire a high-end UX team to build this out. It's something that is designed for the BA with the ability to still bring an advanced dev team in and do some really incredible things with it. When starting a Unified Service Desk project and going through the configuration process, the most important thing, the absolute most important thing that you need to have straight is your business process. Understanding what it is that you want to do and what you want to accomplish throughout this effort. Your configuration starts with understanding, again, what your process flow is, what applications need to participate in the agent desktop. Now, we ship it with the ability to natively integrate to Dynamics CRM, and we provide a couple of starter modules that let you get around and teach you some of the basics. Another key area of configuration is the agent scripting experience. The agent scripting experience is a coaching system. It allows your agents to be coached through their business process. It's not binding. It doesn't require them to go step 1, step 2, and step 3, or so forth. It's more of a guide. It is also interactive in the fact that you can configure it so that the application, as you move through the environment, can in turn influence what the agent scripting is telling the agent to do, or allowing the agent to take content from the agent scripting environment and move that out to the customer through a chat experience or through an email experience. We provide a series of capabilities and controls right out of the box that we ship as part of USD, things that you don't have to build. Those things include agent scripting, the ability to manage multiple concurrent sessions, what we call session management. Configurable toolbars, the ability to drive through configuration, the look, the feel, the presentation, and the content of toolbars. The ability to capture notes, the ability to capture status, audit trails, as well as timing of calls. Additionally, one of the capabilities we provide is a theming system that allows you to use technologies like XAML style sheets to lay your desktop out from a colors point of view. This provides you a great capability to alter the look of the agent desktop based on the kind of customer that you're serving. So let's say that you're trying to serve a customer base that's talking to you over Facebook, but also need to interact with your old mainframe application and want to do call tracking and contact tracking in CRM. USD is a sweet spot for that. That's really what it's built to do.